Check your understanding, Module 6. These are some of the requested videos to get at least hints for, to get you started. For the geometric mean, I'm a visual person, so I like to make a chart in here that has the small, medium, and large triangles that are all in this figure, and then there's a short side, a long side, and a hypotenuse. I take what I'm given, yn and mn, and I put them into where they correspond. So for example, yn, this thing right here, is the long side of the medium triangle. And mn, this one here, is the hypotenuse of the very large triangle. Now I have two of those givens, and somewhere in there there's going to be a quad. And by a quad I mean it's going to be some segment that actually connects the medium and large triangles that is the same. So looking at this table sometimes helps me. What is the hypotenuse of the medium triangle? Hypotenuse of the medium triangle is this one, Pn. Is it also the long side of the large triangle? Here's the large triangle and the long side. Aha, Pn. It is that connector, that commonality, that is the geometric mean. That's what helps me. So some of these that are going to follow are fairly similar in that you're given pieces and you've got to make a proportion that something is to something as something is to something, and the somethings are either like the short side, long side, hypotenuse, or small, medium, and large triangle. So in number 9, my is 6 and ny is 24. This is the same kind of info that we had here, right? Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's not. This is the my is the short side of the small triangle, and yn is the long side of the medium triangle. So we need to find something in the small and medium triangles that is the same. And in that case, that's going to be this one. YP is the long side of the small triangle and the short side of the medium triangle. So, saying a lot there, here's what I mean. Short is to long as short is to long. 6 is to 24 as, 6 is to, short is to long, so 6 is to YP as short YP is to 24. Or if you want to say it, you could say so that's short is to long as short is to long. You could also do 6 is to YP, so short is to short as long is to long, and you get the same thing. You will get YP squared equals, oh man, is that 144? 144. Take the square root, YP is going to be 12. You can always double check that to see that you could find these lengths and to see that it's going to check out in the Pythagorean theorem. Number 10, I'll get you started on this one, but it's going to be a similar thought process in that the sides that you're given, 18 and 32, they have to match with or connect two triangles. So this one, 18, is the small side of the, or small side of the shortest side of the small triangle, and yn is the is this a little different? I have, you got to connect the small triangle to the large triangle, short sides and hypotenuses. So I think I'll let you take that one with this as a hint. Okay, number 15. If my is 12 and yn is 25, find py. that is fairly straightforward because you've got also short side is to long side as short side is to long side. You've got a proportion there, and you just need to solve it algebraically. Now, number 25, you can stare at for a while, and then eventually it will start to reveal its secrets to you, because you've got to think back into some properties of isosceles triangles. If this is an isosceles triangle, moreover, it is an isosceles right triangle. So these two angles here must make 90. Because isosceles triangles' base angles are congruent, those two angles are congruent, 45 degrees. So GHF is 45.